I think almost every woman who comes to pregnancy smoking has started smoking when she herself was a child. And I think what we forget is it's not a lifestyle choice. It's an addiction, and it's a really difficult addiction to move away from.
I think women who smoke come with some anxiety around us asking the question, do they smoke? So we want to offer them support and encouragement to start a quit journey with the fantastic midwives and maternity support workers we've got in Greater Manchester, who will offer not only pharmacotherapy such as nicotine replacement therapy, but behavioural therapy and support.
The relationship between a pregnant lady and her midwife is unique. We're not judgmental. We offer them that support regardless of the background and the situation, because we want that baby to be born free from smoke.
Quitting was easy. It was a case of I have a cigarette or I give one to the baby at the same time. That's the way I saw it. Bought my pram the cigarette money, bought myself a new pram.
Yeah, it was easier to give up smoking this time than what it was the first time, because I had like the support where like the first time I didn't have like no support of anyone. I'd done it by myself, so it took me longer, where this time it only took me a couple of weeks actually to give up the smoking.
So I found out I was pregnant last August, and straight away I knew that I needed to quit. I did pretty much stop straight away. I think it was after the first meeting.
Yeah, so I had my final CO test today and it came up as 0, so that means there's nothing in my system like the smoking, so I feel quite chuffed with myself.
I think the programme's going really, really well. We've seen quit rates double the national average in some areas. We've had roughly in our first year about 250 smoke-free babies, and obviously without the programme you wonder how many of those babies may not have been here today.